Da-na-na-na. Hello, all you mathematicians. Welcome to our first math challenge. A lot of times when I'm driving around or just doing things every day, it makes me think about different math situations. So I've got one for you. This weekend on my street, my neighbor celebrated his 60th birthday, and his kids got him one of those huge yard signs that said, "Happy birthday, John. Happy 60th birthday, John." So it made me think, if I wanted to honk my car horn 60 times for John, every time I drove by, I'm going to honk the same number of times. How many times should I honk? Well, my husband started asking me a bunch of questions, and I was like, well, I guess it just depends how many times we drive by. I don't know. So let's come up with different situations. Let's say if I drove by once, I'd have to honk at his house 60 times. But if I'm going to drive by once, I'm most likely going to return, so I'm going to drive by twice. So if I drove by his house 2 times, that would be 30 honks both times. Can you come up with some other situations? Me driving by his house more, and how many times I would have to honk? Let me know what you're thinking. Do-do-do-do-do. Math challenge.